Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how can we get the insight option on our Instagram. So make sure that you have an updated version of Instagram. Then you have to click on the Instagram like this and click on the profile option. Then tap on the three lines here. You will find here no option about the insight is showing here. So just move on and fix this problem. You have to click on the settings option and then click on the account option. Scroll down and you will find here an option switch to professional account. You must have to switch your account to the professional one, so just click on it and then click on continue and then you will find here such type of the interface. You can select here any of the category that you want, then click on the done option and it will take a while and then you will find two options, creator and business. You have to select creator and then proceed next, and here you have to complete your profile and your business account has successfully created. So now move back and check the insight option. And now I am on my profile. You have to click on the three lines and you can see that get insight option has successfully appeared on my profile. So guys, that's all for today video. I hope you all like this video. Leave a like for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.